All right, what's up, everyone? Select Hybrid 71, 4-boxer at slash pricing. Good luck. How annoying is this Barry guy? Is there anyone that's like more annoying than Barry? I don't think so. Yeah, I like the lesser teams. I need the block black. I don't know what that means. I like the Knicks and the lesser. I like the industry guys. I don't care about like. What's happening? Where's the color? All right, there's green. We have a green. Good luck on the green. Green is to 5. We have a green to 5. Get the green for 20. Good luck. Thank you. If I have more, I'll add it later. Yes, I'm aiming on, well, definitely Asia. I'm aiming to go in February. February's after the Super Bowl. That's where I'll probably go. Cade. What's the closest country in Asia? Bronze disco to Australia. Cade. Courtside. I gotta figure out where to go. Red of Zaire. Well, I'm starting in Thailand. That's all I know. Nice red courtside of Zaire for the Grizzlies. I mean, Indo. Cam Thomas. Kuminga disco. There's the kid. Grimes disco. Dayron Sharp silver. Brunson courtside. What was that? What's up, Saki? Disco of Kanon. What is happening? Sengun. Blue. Nice. Team match on the blue. Blankenship. Jalen Suggs, blue. 10 of 25. Nice piece. Suggs, rookie. Smart. Right. Good luck. Last box, there's at least a green in there. And a red. Herder. Red of Jason Tatum. For the Ticks. All right, who's getting green? Arcade rookie. Jalen. Davion.
Nice. Ma McD. Cam Thomas. They were there late. Nice piece. 4 of 5. You got to say Cam with Thomas. You can't just say Thomas. Nice. Beat the sort that because that's a rookie green. Very nice. Nice piece. That was a fun run of. That was a fun run of